Hello, friends. Today we will discuss as per Vastu where we should have our puja place, where we should have our temple as per Vastu. Okay, so in this video, I will tell you the process by which you can able to know exactly which location in your house you must have the temple or the place of puja. Okay, specifically the sibling. If you are worshipping a sibling in your house, then this video will really help you to identify the location or identify the zone in your house where you can really install that sibling. So friends, for this we will use the Ashtakavarga. Simple, as I mentioned in the last video, how we can able to use the Ashtakavarga for various things in Vastu. So today's video, we will see how we can identify the place of puja, the place of Lord Shivlinga. Okay, that can be installed in a particular location in our house. So for that, what we should do? Okay, so for that, just you can use this Jagannath Hora software. This software is very good. You can get it free of cost, and it can be used for many things. So I am just mentioning how we can use this Jagannath Hora software to find the Ashtakavarga. So in Jagannath Hora, you go to the strength, and in that strength you see there is Ashtakavarga, other strengths, and bar graph. So you can go to the Ashtakavarga directly. Okay, so for the place of puja, actually we are looking for the sun Ashtakavarga. So the question is that why we are looking for the sun Ashtakavarga for the place of puja? Because sun is the karak of ninth house, dharma. Sun is the only planet which is actually upholding the dharma. Okay, he does not see the caste of a person or a society, from which society the person is coming. He is like Sarva Atma Divakara. Why we are telling that Sarva Atma Divakara? Because he is the true Karak of ninth house. Like Jupiter. Jupiter is the Karak of ninth house. I agree. But Sun is actually the Karak of Dharma. Okay, so we need to check the sun for place of puja. So for that, you need to find the Ashtakavarga. Okay, and here you need to find the Sodhita Ashtakavarga. Okay, this is the Sodhita Ashtakavarga. You just click that. Okay, so you will find the Sodhita Ashtakavarga for every planet. As I mentioned, we must see the sun for that specific to find the specific uh, position of temple in your home. Okay, so you will you find the Sodhita Ashtakavarga for sun. After that, what you want to do, you just use the sign direction. Like this is Aries sign. I am using the North Indian chart, East Indian chart. You can change that here. You can change that. Go to preferences, and you can chart style and language. You can change that to the North Indian style. Okay. So this chart has been changed to the North Indian style. But I am basically using the East Indian side. So that's why I am just using that East Indian style of chart. Okay, so I am making that East Indian chart. Okay, so this is the East Indian chart. In East Indian chart, it's called a sun chart because here the top is Aries, where sun is getting exalted. That is the reason why this chart is called a sun chart. So this is Aries, and this signifies east direction, and this sign is Aries. Okay, like Taurus signifies south direction, then Gemini west, and this is north direction. Similarly, all fiery signs, you find all fiery signs are east direction. Okay, all earthy sign, all earthy sign are south direction, and all airy sign are west direction, and are all watery sign are north direction. So this is the sequence: east, south, west, and north. So similarly, you need to find out for planet find out the Ashtakavarga point related to this direction. Like here, east is 0, east is 0. Okay, this is Leo sign is 3, and Sagittarius sign is 0. So total east is 3 points. Okay, similarly, you need to find the direction for south. Taurus 0, and Virgo 0, and Capricorn 1. So south direction is having 1 point. Okay, similarly, you need to find the west direction. West is Gemini 0. Okay, and Libra 1, and Aquarius 1. So west is 2. Okay, finally, you see the north direction. North is all watery signs, and Cancer 2, Scorpio 4, 6 point, and Pisces 0. So total point is 6. So the north direction qualify to be best for having a temple in that direction. So for this native, if this is if the plot of the native is like this, and for this is the east direction, so this is the place actually the native should make the temple for puja. Okay, step is very simple. You need to find the Sun Ashtakavarga to find the place of puja in your house. So for that, you just use the Jagannath Hora software. In that, you go to Ashtakavarga. Okay, you go to Ashtakavarga. In Ashtakavarga, you need to right click and you get the Sodhita Ashtakavarga. Okay, Sodhita Ashtakavarga, and this is the Ashtakavarga after relaxation. Okay, so in that shows the Ashtakavarga as per the sign direction, like Aries is each direction, Leo is each direction, and Sagittarius is direction. You just see how much point is there and add them up to, like 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3. Similarly, south 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, west is 2, and north is 6. Similarly, you need to find the Ashtakavarga point for each direction. And here we are finding that the north direction is having the highest Ashtakavarga. So this direction is qualified to be best for the puja place. Okay, so this is the north direction. So this native, if the plot of the native is like this, then he can make a puja place in this direction. Okay, so friend, this is the way you can use the Jehora software and the Ashtakavarga points to really find out the direction which is best for your puja place. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.